So guys, see, this is completely new paper, guys. So here we will solve basically completely new paper. Physics wala only IS has happened yesterday only. All India mock test. And I have solved this question. See, guys, there is a need of knowledge. There is no doubt. But see, I will tell you only those questions which can be solved with common sense, basically. For example, read question number two. Read.
With reference to Guru Aadhaar launched Digital India Land Records Modernization Program, consider the following statement. It is a 12-digit alphanumeric unique ID assigned to every survey land parcel that in the country. The identification is based on the longitude and latitude coordinates of the land parcel. It aims to integrate the land records with other databases like Aadhaar, revenue, and court record to reduce the land disputes.
Hmm. See, guys, first thing, let me tell you, guys, they have asked the question who Aadhaar. If you don't know anything, guys, but never skip this type of question first thing. You know why? Because because if you eliminate one statement, you will reach your answer basically. So here, guys, see, do you think this is current affair based question? Do you think any person, even the person who is topper, can read and go in the exam? No. Especially he can remember this data, 12 digit or 15 digit, 16 digit. No. So take that much risk and eliminate one. You will reach to the answer two and three. And this is the right answer. Hmm. I will show you some more questions. This question. Read Bhagya. Six number.
Consider the following statement with reference to the intertropical convergence zone. During northern
Artist agent.
hemisphere summer, the
Hmm.
intertropical convergence zone shifts northward over the Indian subcontinent and is often referred as a monsoon trough.
Yeah. Hmm.
The ITCZ is characterized by descending air currents and clear skies due to the convergence of trade winds. The
Hmm.
seasonal migration of ITCZ is primarily driven by apparent movement of the sun and differential heating between land and ocean.
See, guys. Actually, this is a common sense based and knowledge based, but still, I will tell you because option is like that. So, guys, now listen. Tell me, rainfall will occur when wind is descending or wind is ascending. Tell
Wind is descending.
wind is
Descending.
descending.
Descending
Eh?
means wind
Descending,
came. If
ascending.
wind came, na, then
Wind is going upside, wind is going upside. Tell me, rainfall is
Down to up above, na?
down to above. Yes, good. So,
If
what is question saying here?
it is continuing from
descending.
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 Wrong. One and three.
How 1 and 3 also explain this, please?
Because two is wrong, Priyal.
हाँ,
Descending
two.
not ascending should be. So if
हाँ, I
the
got
wind
it
will
now.
ascend,
First and third correct.
because see IT says is known for the rainfall.
Hmm.
Because where will IT says there will be rainfall. Now question is saying it is created by the descending of the air, no ascending of the air. Because
Descending
when
means going upward. Ascending
no
means
going downside,
Hmm.
like in in
descending means
in cycle. You are telling Manish.
The
We have
seasonal
na
migration of
cell
ITPZ is
formation.
considered
In
under
that, if air is going upside,
of the sun.
rainfall will occur.
I'm saying this is IT said this is Earth surface. And
Hmm.
if wind is going upside, then it will form cloud and it will rainfall.
Hmm.
But it is saying it is descending downside. Then how can cloud be formed? Tell.
Okay.
So to form the cloud, there should be ascending, not descending.
See, it is
So guys,
written apparent movement of the sun.
That is means
tell.
real. See, it will go na sun 23
No,
until
no.
20.
After that, heat between land and ocean. Between land and ocean, what do you mean here?
Eating between land and
See,
ocean. That's why
see,
pressure
see,
difference.
Differential
see,
heating meaning.
guys.
Yes, yes.
Diet is knowledge based. Here I'm not talking right now, guys. Here my purpose here in
Okay.
20 minutes that where you can catch the word and eliminate. You can reach the answer. This is what I'm telling, guys. Knowledge we will talk later. I'm talking just where you can eliminate basically. For example, see this question. Now see here you need to exact answer because see there is no elimination. See only one, only two, one, all the three like that they have given. See, but so guys here you can either skip or attend the question with knowledge base. But don't attend the question if you don't know. Read this question.
With
9.
reference to
Is it
the
clear?
Morley Minto reforms of 1909,
Hmm.
consider the following statements. The reforms introduced the system of separate electorates.
Lord
Lord
Hmm.
Minto is often referred to as the father of communal electorate due to his role in these reforms. The reforms allowed for
Okay.
the first time an Indian to be appointed to the Viceroy Executive Council.
See,
First is
now,
correct.
yes, guys. Now, see, no what? Now, guys, this is very basic knowledge actually. Now, see, separate electorate. Now, communal electorate. Now, first viceroy. Because you know what? Satyendra Prasad Sinha
Certain.
was the first person who got selected in
I
executive council basically. All three are kept guys here because there is no here. So
First
guys,
and last.
this is what I'm doing. Like where you don't see any radical statement, then make all the statement correct. Now see again. I like this question actually. You know what? Because literally I did not used to know this answer. Let me tell you because I've given this test. I did not choose because this is current affair based question. But see
Common
what I have used.
method.
Common carbon metric guys. And every year they talk about carbon. See carbon. Here is also
Consider
carbon,
the
I think.
carbon footprint of the
Carbon. And here is
organization.
also carbon.
It is a
And
method for
but guys
collecting
here
consistent
common word is there.
evidence.
Common means what guys? Tell me, Priyal, what is common?
Common means very general.
Very
It is
general
present.
and means no specific means all the populations. Now see, this is talking about corporate sector, this is talking about transport sector, and this is talking about agriculture sector. They are specific guys, but here first it is a tool to assess the carbon footprint of building operations around the world. This is general around the world, not only transport, not only corporate, not only agriculture. So don't you think it is a link with that? And more on, they have used the metric. Whenever they are using the word metric, guys, it means it is an assessment tool, basically. It is an assessment tool. So this way, actually, I have made this answer correct. See, all are related to carbon, guys, but see how much they are trying to confuse you. Guys, see, guys, see, whenever you are asking the question, you are answering the question, always think one thing in your mind that what examiner can think here while framing this question. See, he might have read this in news, then he made this question here. So what he might think, how to misguide the student. That's why he has made these three statements basically. So you think like that basically. You think in that perspective, what perspective examiner has made the question basically. That's what basically. Now see, this is actually knowledge-based question, but I will tell you
And
how to reach the answer. Now see, guys, I whole description Gwalior. Guys, it is a Gwalior, and they have given what? What? Satvahana, it means Andhra Pradesh. How can be the answer? Tell me. Only if I know the ruler, question is saying what? Okay, Satvahana. See, and this is Gwalior. Gwalior is Madhya Pradesh. How can be possible actually, right? Now see, Nana Ghat inscriptions provide information about achievement of the Gujar Pratihara. They are North India, and Nana Ghat is in North India. So only one option is left. That is right. I don't know exactly what their option. This is a typical insert history
Nana
question.
Ghat is where?
Nanagarh is not in that, no, not in April, not in that. Gurjar Pratyahara basically is typical, you know what, Haryana,
Hmm.
UP, and Rajasthan side. Nanagarh is not related to that. See, sometimes guys, you know what, Nam, you can think Nam. Now see, whenever you like you see Kotapam and then Katiyapam, like na. So you see that they are Kerala and Tamil Nadu name basically. They are not North Indian name basically. Sometimes guys on the basis of name also na you can like see Bharatanatyam. This is Tamil Nadu. Because name is suggesting Natyam is what? Tamil Nadu side. So sometimes guys basis of the name na you can reach to the answer. But yes, you have to be very calm and composed that time when you are giving the exam. Don't rush that time. See, very easy questions. See, I told you guys, if they have asked the matching questions and there are four options, four is even number, so answer will be in even basically. Yes, answer will be even. Now see what they have done. They have interchanged both two.
Mm.
Regressive regression means what? Tax percentage decreases. And progressive
Decreasing,
means what?
correct.
Increases.
Increasing.
And these two are right. See, so guys, first thing you know what? You remove your what? You remove your fear. That okay, I have not studied, so I cannot clear. No, no. I mean, you guys have listened what I have taught for the last 1 year. And more on these techniques will help you. And not only this exam, but other exam also. Now see this question. RO butter you guys use now. Now
Reverse
read this question, Priyal.
osmosis.
Read.
The reverse osmosis system, the application of external pressure is essential to overcome the natural osmotic pressure of the solution.
Hmm.
Membranes are physically incapable of filtering out submicron size viruses and bacteria.
Hmm.
RO membrane.
See guys. Tell PL first what question is saying first statement. Tell the meaning of first. Tell.
See, it says na osmosis application is the external pressure is needed for process to happen.
Okay. I don't know about first one. Let's say. Second, RO membranes are physically incapable. Then why the hell we are using? If it is see, if we are saying guys that this is incapable, na, so this is extreme statement actually. Yes, it means we are challenging the capacity of that things basically. Yes, we can say like that. कि our membranes are, I mean, less effective. That's good, but incapable means what? Means completely incapable. So I will not make it right actually. And I told you guys, out of the two statement, if one is wrong and second is general statement, so make it right basically. See, the application of external pressure is essential to overcome. Yes, because
Reverse
because
osmosis
something
equal to
something is important
nothing.
now. Because if you know the reverse osmosis technique, na, you guys know. But here do not go in the technicality. Just to know that there is a need of some external pressure also in the RO system. Basically, question is not saying that it cannot. Question say the application of external pressure is essential to overcome the natural or general external basically. Okay, overcome that is okay. And more on out of the two, if one is wrong, then make a second is right actually. 90% it happens. Hmm. Now see this question. Read Bhagya this question.
Consider following statement. Over application of ammonium based fertilizers can lower soil pH over time. Excess
Hmm.
nitrogen not absorbed by plants can contaminate groundwater and leading to methanocloramine. Nutrient runoff into nearby water bodies stimulates algal blooms, depleting dissolved oxygen levels. Continuous chemical
Hmm.
loading improves the soil's ability to hold on to essential nutrients like calcium.
I think that they have made the blunder actually. See
Continuous
what they have
chemical
done here.
loading.
This
Continuous
is
chemical
negative
loading.
one. Negative one.
Yes. So suppose that you know what I'm saying. कि If I will give if I will give you, I mean, if I will, okay, let me think actually. Hmm.
If you give na plant chemicals, it said
Hmm.
na it will.
Hmm. It's just think like that, guys. If I give you samosa for the last 10 days, continuously old samosa. So and I'm saying that your health will be good. I mean, how can it be possible? I'm giving you samosa and more on that is not good, not healthy. And I'm saying your health will be good. See what question is saying. Continuous chemical loading improve the soil ability to hold. No, no, no. It will decrease actually. Wrong. Only you answer you. See, guys. I don't need to know actually in detail what is happening. Just common sense, guys. But yes, guys, reading the question, be careful. Focus on one word actually. So, guys, whenever you are reading the questions, na, you always should have what? One pencil. Even in the real exam also. So, like that, read. It is a colonial era legacy, originated, okay, under the then underline. I like that. So that you cannot leave a single word, basically, always. Hmm. Now see, read this question. Even I don't know this answer, but see how I will solve it. Read Priyal.
The reference to the Shuravardi and Chishti
Hmm.
Silaslas in India consider the following statement. While the
Hmm.
Chishtis preferred a life of poverty and simplicity, and Shuravardis believed that a saint should have sufficient resources to provide for the needy. The Shuravardi order was primarily concentrated in the region of Punjab and Multan, whereas Chishti spread across the North India and Deccan. Chishti
Hmm.
strictly prohibited the use of music as a means of spiritual ex-
Extras.
Hmm.
ecstasy,
While
while
Surabardi
the
order promoted,
Shuravardi order
Extras.
promoted
see guys, they
ecstasy,
are two philosophy basically, Chishti and
ecstasy,
Surabardi.
ecstasy.
And guys, you already know that when there is any movement, so something music are necessary basically, because without music, life is nothing actually. Even the great scientist Albert Einstein has said, life is music. Without music, I think there is nothing. Because saying it's strictly prohibited. I mean, what is that? It's strictly prohibited. Wrong it.
Mm.
Right? They can say like that. They have less focus on the music. That is right. It's strictly prohibited. What is that? I mean, it cannot be possible because, right? Yeah. Okay. So, guys, you know what? This kind of now see very good question actually. I like this question. Read this question back here.
With the reference to the Sohrawardi and Chishti,
This question, poor girl.
match the
22.
following types intellectual property rights with their correct descriptions.
Hmm.
Geographical indication. It protects
So,
original literary and artistic works.
listen. Geography means what? Yes.
Location.
See. So
GI tag.
A and E. See, only one option. See, guys, in front of you, I'm telling you. And see, I have not made this question. This is only as question. Already about test. Yesterday, as I called it. And not only coaching, even UPSC does the same thing, basically, guys. So see, 3 days I told you up UPSC elimination. Now I'm telling you coaching. So guys, everywhere is working basically. So you know, see, I am pro here because I have solved the various test series. Guys, you have to apply the same thing in your as well, basically. Only then it will be helpful. Okay, how it works basically. For example, now see, read this question, Priyal.
Mm. The
23.
Median-Julian oscillation. It is the eastward movement of the winds and the convection in the tropical region. An active phase of MJO over the Indian Ocean is known to suppress the Indian monsoon. In one
Hmm.
monsoon season, the subcontinent receives multiple Median-Julian oscillation events
Hmm.
in one monsoon.
See, guys. Now listen, guys. Here, I don't know all these. Actually, I will tell you when I will teach geography. But listen, guys. An active phase of MJO over the Indian Ocean is known to suppress. No, guys. If there is a Indian Ocean, na, so it will
Mm.
increase the monsoon, not suppress basically. Because you know what, suppress only one thing, El Nina. Apart from that, everything is good for India. And this thing everybody knows, I think. El Nina is the only thing in the subcontinent which reduce the rainfall in India. Otherwise, everything is increase the rainfall. Question is saying suppress. Second is wrong. 1 and 3 is right answer basically because they are the common thing. So guys, see this, do you know what I'm telling you? See, yes, of course, some basic knowledge you should have, but I'm saying, see, if you have some basic knowledge and some elimination technique, so you can read. Okay, nice question, geography, polity questions. Read this question
Manish,
back here.
increase your voice. Very
My
slow.
voice is good, I think.
No, no.
Hmm,
It
okay.
is audible here.
For me,
Hmm,
see, it is recording now. You will get very slow voice. That's good.
okay, poor girl.
With
Read.
reference to the independence of judiciary in India, consider the following statement. Salaries, allowances, and pensions of Supreme Court judges are charged upon the Consolidated Fund of India and are not subjected to vote in Parliament.
Yes,
Yes.
because
Mm.
see,
Mm.
guys, India has separation of power. So why Parliament will decide the, I mean, scenery of Supreme Court? No, they because they have separation of power. So I think this will. So this is right actually because they cannot discuss. No. They cannot vote. Second, Parliament
Parliament
can
can
extend the
extend the
jurisdiction of
jurisdiction
Supreme Court.
but cannot
Yes,
curtail it.
yeah, because they say, see, you can increase my
Okay.
power, but you cannot decrease my power. Common
Mm.
sense. because there is separation of power.
Connect
The
with
conduct of the judge of the Supreme Court or High Court can only be discussed in Parliament during the removal. I told you guys yesterday, कि MP decision cannot be held in court, and court decision cannot be held in Parliament
Parliament.
because there is separation of power, guys. Yes, but yes, only one case they can discuss what in removal process when judge are getting removed basically due to the corruption and all basically. So all three are right, guys. Basic political question basically. Basic political question. There is nothing. Oh, beautiful question.
Manish,
This,
in High Court, judges can be removed, can be given the allowances from consolidated fund, right?
what PL repeat?
High Court judges. Salary and
What?
allowances are from the
No, no.
consolidated
See,
fund,
Priya.
right?
Good question you have
There is
asked
an
actually.
expression, right?
Yeah. Listen. You have asked good question. See, High Court judge is working in state. So as a natural law, High Court judge will get salary from the state fund. But pension of High Court judge will get from the center fund. I repeat,
Salary is
there is a catch. Salary he will get from the state fund because he's working in state only, right? But pension he will get from the center fund. So I guess this is very important. Listen, you can write somewhere because there's a catch. If I already asked this question actually. Yes, sir.
what is the logic behind that, Manish?
then and
Poor
district court
girl.
also will getting
See,
pension from the state.
this is center, this is state. State has High Court, center has Supreme Court. So Supreme Court is serving in the center. So he will get fund from the center consolidated fund of India. Now High Court is serving in the state. So he should get fund from where? State.
State,
Because
but
state
why
has also
not
power. Na?
pension?
That is correct, but pension why
Ah,
they are
why?
getting from
Good
center?
question. Good question. I like this question. Now see, India has an integrated judicial system. So basically, Supreme Court and High Court have the same power almost. Almost. So basically, state has already less power in the tax as compared to center. So state have said that, you see, I can give the salary, but I cannot guarantee pensions. If you want to give pension to state judge, so you give from the center basically. Why? Because you know what? Center has two extra tax basically. One is cess and one is surcharge.
Acha.
These two tax are not shared with state basically. That's what Tamil Nadu was opposing. So that's why states have said that no, okay, I can give salary to the judge because they are serving my state, but pension you give. I will not give pension because pension is given after retirement, na. So if you want to give pension, you give pension from your fund. I will not give. That's what this is the logic basically. Because state has less money basically because they have less tax power basically. That is the reason basically. But you remember this only. It's salary from the state and pension from the center basically. Read this question, Priyal.
Reference to the Bundeli language, consider the following statement. Bundeli is classified under the Western Hindi language group in the Linguistic Survey of India. Bundeli is
Hmm.
an official recognized language under the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Second
See
is
guys.
right.
Hmm. See guys,
It
first
was
thing you know what?
mentioned.
See guys, first thing you know what? First thing here you should pay attention. Because you know what?
Acha,
Most of the
income.
people actually
Oh.
their mind, you know what? They have done this mistake in real exam also. They have focused. They, they, they thought it is correct actually. No. So first when you are reading that, so underline first this. It is question incorrect. Now see, Bundeli is classified under the Western Hindi language group in the Linguistic Survey of India. Guys, Bundeli is a dialect only. How can it be classified as basically? Basically, Bundeli is a dialect. Okay, Bundeli is an officially recognized language under the S. Now, guys, see, Bundeli is only dialect, guys. Tell me what is the difference between dialect and language? Tell Priyal. Dialect and language.
See, Hindi is the language, okay, and dialect is a way of speaking or something.
Yes. It means कि
You
fragmented
can
form
say.
of the language. This is called dialect. Like see, local language basically, regional language. Yes. So see, Bundeli is just regional language, guys. How can regional language can be classified in the 8th schedule? Because only there is a major language. So 2 is wrong. And I told you, out of the two statement, if one is wrong, so one is right. So this is right and two is wrong. So question is wrong. So two is
I
wrong.
thought Bundeli is the language, not a dialect.
No, Priyal, Bundelkhand is my Madhya Pradesh only. So it is a dialect, basically
Okay.
local dialect. Local
Like
people
they
speak that.
don't have written one. That's
Yes,
It is a
yeah,
MP dialect, right?
yes. Hmm. So they are basically that only. So you guys want to continue more or should I stop here?
Continue,
Priyal?
Manish, no issue.
Continue. Okay, 10 minutes more. See, now, see, guys, I agree that guys, every question cannot be applied with common sense. Let me tell you guys. I agree that. But guys, at least out of 100 questions, if you are able to solve with this technique, 25 questions, 30 questions, and some for example, so at least you can reach, because see, cutoff is going around 100, 90 to 100. It means 45 questions. So this is what I'm saying, guys. But only if you get with practice only. Now read this question, Bhagya.
With
30.
reference to the word sovereign and republic in the context of preamble to the
Hmm.
constitution, consider the following. The preamble establishes the ultimate sovereignty of the people of India on whose authority the constitution rests.
Hmm.
Rest of the ultimate sovereignty of the people of India. Being a sovereign state, Parliament of India under Article 3 can cede a part of its territory in favor of foreign state.
Hmm. You guys tell here because this is very easy question. Tell because yesterday only we have discussed this question.
Being a sovereign state, the Parliament of India, Article 3.
See first one.
Consider part
Okay,
of its
Manish.
second one is
Ultimate power is in the people. But
part
see,
Yes.
of territory
Yes.
being a sovereign state,
and
we
Yeah.
can't cede. Obviously,
Yes. Yes.
preamble
foreign
See.
is
country
implicitly telling Parliament can do.
is a part of it in favor. In favor of a foreign state, meaning yes,
Giving.
favor.
If foreign states wants Priyal,
Acha,
foreign
if
states
they want,
wants. Hmm.
they can see it. No, Manish, this second is wrong.
Yeah, because yesterday we have discussed only.
Hmm.
कि India government can take states from other country, but
But
cannot give other
can't give.
country without amendment, constitutional amendment. Question saying by only Article 3, no. Article 3 only you
Require
can take, not
constitution
give,
amendment.
not give. So this is wrong, this is right. And I told you, out of the two, one is wrong, so one has to be right. See guys, again, my approach. There are four and match at the four again. So two will be right. See.
It is only viable in match the following, no?
Yes, oh, yes,
This
Priyal, yes.
statement.
Good question you asked. Only match the following guy. Don't use everywhere. Okay, four is there, so two is right. No. Yes. Hmm. Now see read this question.
Nanocomposite material can
Hmm.
degrade microbes and chemical dyes that are among common effluents in river. Chemical
Hmm.
nanosensors can detect chemical pollutant in the environment, capture them, and recycle them.
See guys.
See,
Now
recycle, I don't know, but I know they can environment can capture them.
hmm.
Uh,
See guys. See guys. You know
detect
what? Even I don't know. Even I don't know. But you know what? One thing I know with my experience, when there is a technological questions, na, and they are talking about capability, they can do this, they can that, they do it. See, can and can. Can means what? Capability, future potential. For example, if I'm saying that Agya can clear UPSC exam, I'm talking about future potential. She can clear in future. I'm saying Priyal can clear the future. In future, she can clear. But I'm saying she will clear. So I think that is a kind of radical basically. So can basically okay, both are right. So guys, understand the language of the examiner. In what sense he's talking about, basically. Yes. Even I see guys, even I don't actually because they are current affair based actually. What is a nano composite material actually? I think even none knows actually in detail in exam hall. Hmm. This is what I'm saying, guys. Now see, they have given this much statement so that people get afraid. Why will I afraid? Read this question, Bhagya.
With reference to sterile insect technique and the gene drive technology, consider following. Sterile insect technique involves release of insects sterilized through chemical and radiological means.
Hmm.
Gene drive is a genetic engineering technology that ensures specific suite of genes is passed on to all offsprings. While
Hmm.
SIT targets the current generation of the pests, gene drive has the potential to alter or collapse an entire species population over several generations.
Hmm.
Both the technologies are currently banned worldwide under Cartagena Protocol on biosafety due to ecological risks.
Hmm. See, guys, you know what? Four statement, and I told you guys, four minus one and five minus two. This is the rule, guys. When there are four statements, so one has to be wrong, and when there's a five statement, so two has to be wrong. And
And when
see,
there is a six options are there then, and
so
minus
so
two.
so two or three both can be wrong for real. Hmm. Either can be two, but here you have to use your logic then. Okay, two are there, three are there. Yes. Now see, guys, this is completely general statement, completely general. But here, come incurrently banned, guys. India is a democratic country. It can be regulated, not banned actually.
Mm.
Yes. Even cigarette, people are smoking cigarette. That is not banned actually in India. It is
And it
regulated.
is telling
If
worldwide. See, every country has
yes,
its sovereignty.
yes.
Uh,
So how can we?
okay.
So guys, it is not practical. See, this is what I'm saying, guys. Basically, so guys, this is what actually I'm saying. Hmm. Now, guys, see last two question more. Now, see, read this question, Priya.
Hmm. Consider the following continental shelf in international waters:
Hmm.
embassies and consultants,
Uncle.
factories operated by offshore enterprises under the custom control international organization. How many above are can be included in economic territory of
Hmm.
a country?
See, suppose that, guys, I don't know anything about this question. I don't know anything about this question. Suppose that I'm telling, right? Now,
Mhm.
see,
Economic
economic
territory.
territory means what? It means something
Producing
financial
money.
issue.
Uh,
Financial.
Financial issue. So, guys, now listen carefully. If an Indian embassy is in America, so they are earning money, na? So it can be common sense. Continental self-international barter. If India is doing mining exploration and they have got some minerals, so they can be under economic territory. Factory operated by the offshore enterprise. Offshore, it means what? Foreign country. This cannot be economic territory. International organization, like MF, this cannot be the Indian e- economic territory. So is right? Common sense. Question is saying economic territory of India. It means where India can exercise own economic territory, own sovereignty. So how can international be sovereignty? And factory operated by the option. Option is what? Other country basically here. So only two is the right basically. Because see, every country we have ambassador. Like when America has attacked in Iran, na, so Iran ambassador was in India only. So guys, every country send their ambassador basically. Yeah. And they are what? Indian foreign officer basically. They are made from the Indian foreign officer, like in India. See, guys. Now read this question again, guys. See, four are
consider
there.
the following
Two will be
pairs:
right.
space mission, target,
See, guys.
space mission, target purpose. Cassini
Hmm.
Huygens study of Saturn and its moon.
Hmm. No,
Messenger
no,
study.
that is okay. That is right. I'm not going in knowledge bhagya today. I'm just telling how the approach is working basically to boost your so that it should boost your confidence because you guys have low confidence. You see, I don't know. I mean, I'm getting less marks. So that's what I'm telling guys.
If
You see,
money three statements are there, then
three
three match
statements are
the
there,
following.
guys, na, Priyal, na. So mostly one is
One,
wrong and two is
two is
right,
wrong.
basically. In 90% cases, because see, I will tell you out of 100 questions, one or two, all three are right. But see, 90% cases, suppose that you have done 10 questions like that, na. So eight will be right and two will be wrong. So it's okay. You will be in positive only.
Mm.
Yes. Because out of 10, if you're taking guess like that, so eight will be right and two is wrong. See, these question, guys, I'm taking where you don't know. Where you know that is very fine. But where you don't know, then use this technique. What I'm telling you basically. But yes, guys, you have to practice like that. Yes. So Bhagya, can you stop the video now?
Hmm.